What's in my toolbox? In the top of my toolbox, we have right here 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch sockets and nut drivers. We have a 3/8 and 1/2 inch ratchet. We have some breaker bars, some long extensions. We have a big container right here of extensions and swivels. Back there we got all our 1/2 inch sockets. We have a big 1.5 inch socket right there, 36 millimeter. Torx bits. All of our metric sockets. Here we have a bunch of Allen wrenches and some chalk in case you need to mark something. We got some Stanley knife blades. We got some crescent wrenches. Right here we have a drawer full of deep wall sockets. Up here we have some more Allen wrenches, Stanley knife, and some punches and chisels. Right here we have our standard wrenches, anywhere from a 1/4 inch to more than 1 inch. Here we have our metric wrenches and deep wall sockets. We have a drawer full of screwdrivers. Vice grips. A little mini bolt cutter. Smaller tin snips. Wire cutter. Another wire cutter. Alignment pliers. And we have some pliers. Here we have a flywheel puller. Mini sledgehammer. Rubber mallet right there. Ball peen hammer. The bigger wrenches I was talking about. Here we have all of our battery boost terminals, clamps, chains for working on go-karts and ATVs or dirt bikes. Here we have a couple of torches. We have a bunch of files here. Some chisels. Old steering wheel puller. Polaris steering wheel puller. Don't ever waste any money on one of these because they don't work. We got a multimeter, old school torque wrench, some spark plug connectors, big 2-inch crescent wrench. Here's a tool I made to pull the springs on the snowmobile exhaust. Polaris primary clutch puller. Skidoo or Can-Am primary clutch puller. large channel lock pliers, an assortment of snap ring pliers, telescoping magnet, battery post terminal cleaner, here we have all of our impact sockets, half-inch drive, standard, and we have metric in the back there. Bunch of gas caps. You never know when you need a gas cap for something. Oil filter wrenches. More Allen wrenches. And we also have these cool things right here. If you drop something where you can't reach it, you'll be able to reach in there with this. Or I got this big long one here. In case you drop something, you can pick it up. Now we also have a couple of PSI testers. Some more Allen wrench socket heads right there. Torx head tool. 12-volt tester. A bunch of Torx screwdrivers. Down here we got a grease gun, a ring compressor, WD-40, some wire brushes, toothbrushes for cleaning parts, some more gas caps, hair dryer, steel wool, soldering gun, wiring. Down here we have an Ingersoll Rand Thunder gun, half-inch impact wrench, impact sockets, and we have a container of metric impact sockets right here. We also have this tool right here, which is used to compress the valve springs so you can get those off. Along with this sweet motorcycle jack right here that is very helpful. We also have a floor jack. In addition to this right there, the snowmobile lift. You would put that under the back of the bumper on the snowmobile so you can work on the track or the rear suspension. We have an engine puller. Those come in very handy from time to time. Well, thanks for watching. This is take number 2 of what's in my toolbox. Thanks for watching.